State leaders in our area today checking in on the new 988 crisis call center. Both Governor Tony Evers and Senator Sen Baldwin toured the center and also held a roundtable discussion where they covered a variety of topics surrounding mental health. In this Look Alert update, Emily Riley listened in on that discussion and is here to share more on it. Emily.
Bill 988 was launched last July to help those in distress or in a crisis connect with trained counselors. Since then, the center says calls for help have increased from roughly 1,100 to 5,000 per month. The program manager at the call center says they anticipated this surge before it launched and increased their staff accordingly. Senator Baldwin says changing the line from 10 digits to 3 digits and also making it available by text allows more people who may be struggling to reach out for help. Governor Evers previously said 2023 will be, quote, the year of mental health, and says it has been an issue long before the pandemic. Staff at the Family Service Center also say they're currently working on creating remote positions and anticipate the amount of calls to grow even more.
Things are going well. I'm just amazed that over a short period of time how well they are going, and we have caring people responding to people that are struggling.
This makes it much more straightforward and gets people the help that they need.
Staff at the call center want to mention there are helplines callers can be directed to if they identify as a veteran or don't speak English, where they can receive specialized services. Bill?
Emily.